Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add points to Dunkin app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To add points to Dunkin app and ensure you are earning rewards, what you need to do first is head over and open up your Dunkin app. Then once you're inside here, be sure to be logged into your Dunkin Rewards account as well. Then once you are logged into your account here, what you need to do is just simply make a purchase by selecting an item from the menu and then simply ordering it. For every $1 spent, you'll automatically earn 10 points on qualifying items. If you're purchasing in store, be sure to scan your Dunkin app before paying to earn points. Then next is add points from in-store receipts. To do that, simply head over to your home screen, then tap on rewards options. Now here, what you need to do is look for the option that says add points or add receipt. Then scan the receipt's barcode or manually enter the required details like date, time, amount, and etc. Then submit the receipt info and your points will be added to your account. Points can typically be added within 7 days of your purchase. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.